Today I'm back on site at your new home of BMW here in Melbourne. And as you can see, our new dealership at Kingsway is really starting to take shape. June saw the completion of the extensive glass installation to make the building watertight, and now we're seeing the stunning internal fit-out progress rapidly. The project team continue to work hard to deliver this stunning new facility on time, and our Melbourne BMW team are excited to host you personally from these amazing premises from September this year. As one of the few pilot dealerships selected globally to showcase the all-new BMW Group Corporate Identity principles, the state-of-the-art dealership features the newest BMW, Mini and Motorrad design elements, with extensive research undertaken to consider the needs of our guests. And the focus on sustainability, with clever systems to manage energy use, enable greater flexibility to experience our amazing brands in person. You'll have the opportunity to immerse yourself in all elements of our BMW Group brands, from our motorsport-focused BMW M and Mini JCW areas, to the advanced sustainability of our growing electric vehicle portfolio, with dedicated consultation and vehicle display spaces, a welcoming customer lounge and BMW cafe, and large format interactive digital screens throughout. And even your pride and joy will enjoy its time with us in our bespoke 32 hoist workshop and 2 semi-automated car washes. Together, we look forward to welcoming you to the new Melbourne BMW soon.